Here's how to program your FireStick remote in just a few minutes. Let's start with the quickest pairing method. First, make sure fresh batteries are installed in the remote. Move within about 10 feet of your Fire TV device before pairing the remote. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds. Keep holding until a message appears confirming the remote is connected. Press the navigation buttons to make sure the remote responds. If the remote is working, you're done. If it still isn't responding, we'll pair it manually. If holding the home button didn't work and you can't control your Fire TV, don't worry. We'll use your phone as a temporary remote. Download the Amazon Fire TV app on your Android phone or iPhone. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Fire TV. Open the Fire TV app. Tap your Fire TV device from the list. Enter the code shown on your TV to connect your phone. Your phone is now controlling the Fire TV, so we can pair the remote. Using your phone, open Settings on your Fire TV. Select Controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select Amazon Fire TV remotes. Select Add New Remote. Your Fire TV will now search for nearby remotes. Press and hold the home button on the remote for about 10 seconds. When your remote appears on the screen, select it to finish pairing. Wait a few seconds while your Fire TV finishes pairing the remote. Once you see the confirmation message, your FireStick remote is ready to use. If your navigation buttons work but the power or volume buttons don't, let's program your FireStick remote to control your TV. Open Settings. Select Equipment Control. Select Manage Equipment. Choose TV if you're controlling your television. If your sound comes from a soundbar or receiver instead of your TV, choose soundbar or receiver instead. Select your TV brand from the list. Don't see your TV brand? Scroll to the bottom and choose Brand Not Listed. Fire TV will test different remote codes until one works. Follow the on-screen instructions and test the power button when prompted. Point the remote directly at your TV while testing. The power and volume buttons need a clear line of sight to the TV. If the buttons don't work yet, keep following the on-screen test. Fire TV will keep trying different remote codes. Once the power and volume buttons respond correctly, your FireStick remote is fully programmed and ready to use.